Well, I know it's not too late, but I think I found one of my last problems, or next to last problems. I don't know. Um, I was frustrated with my um, Diode Blob replacement. It was a reed switch using the magnetics to open and close a switch, which I thought would work great, and I thought it did. Um, it was a 5 volt, a half amp 5 volt device, and I thought, I'm going to be running more than 5 volts. Maybe I need to get a heavier duty. So I got some 24 volts, and I thought, there. Problem with the 24 volt system was it wouldn't even turn on until it had damn near 8 volts, and that was what was causing my problem earlier. I couldn't figure out why I had to jumper it to get it to work, and now I don't. This is idle speed, a little smoke coming out, and as soon as you start cranking, you've got almost 5 volts to the motor, and it's loving it, as you can see. And you got distinct chuff and brake, puff and brake, and the chuff sound. They stop, and sometimes you get the motor, and sometimes you don't. I'm still diddling with at what voltage do I need to have this set at. I didn't want it to be too high, but looks like 2.3 is where it needs to be. But it's a lazy rate. It's not a massive thing, so I don't mind if I keep it up that much. So there's the lazy one. There's the work one. It's supposed to be the lazy one. I'll just keep cranking it up until it comes on reliably. That's all I can do. .4 volts, lazy. And chuff and puff down low. Chuff and puff down low. 20, 30 miles an hour. Still got it. And there's the lazy smoke. Okay, that's pretty good, 2.4. You saw me tune it, adjust it, dial it in more or less. And now I have a bag of, I don't have a bag, I have a tube of these. I have like 10 of them, so I'm golden. I have the parts. I don't need the heavy duty part. I can save them for another project another day. But I do have plenty of these to build four or five or maybe 10 more engines. I have other parts I need to get before they run out, so I feel very, very good right now. That was a weird situation. I knew I could jump around it, but I'm thinking, why am I having to do that? I didn't think I had to, and I used these 5 volt ones on the first system, and then afterwards I got nervous, so I ordered the heavy duty ones. Big mistake. Anyway, so the diode clump replacement works. It's reliable. It's small and compact, and it's going to give me what I need. And I think I can fit them in here without any other thing. I have a slot for it and everything. I just hung it out here so I could change it quickly as I was going through the motions. So now I think I am absolutely ready to button it up. We have nice smoke, good smoke. I just need to make sure I'm balancing out the power drain off of my input devices because they feel a little warm. And I don't want to be overheating something like this if I need to. I don't know. I don't know what the temperature is. I can certainly see what the volts are. Let's see if I can do that real quick. Go from there. 5.6 is not, that's not a hot box, I don't think. Let's check it. No. I mean, it's warm, but it's not melting by any stretch. Okay, and the fan is running. The fan's doing its thing. It's going to keep it cool on the inside. That's why we had this idle thing. Hold on. I can't believe it. It's 5:30, and that was my alert to wipe off your drool, get the solder off your hands, and the smoke off your face and get up here. Well, okay, so I'm going to, honestly, today was a, what the hell's wrong? It's not perfect, it's working, but what's wrong? Okay, I'm done with that. I really am. I think I've got it now. It's wired properly, it has all the right parts, and don't heavy duty it yet. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to rotate that and put it in the right way and fasten everything down. I'm going to glue that speaker back together and put it where it belongs, because it does have good sound. And tomorrow is Sunday, and it's usually I get another train day. I get back-to-back train days. I think I will be able to absolutely build the 4 sounds and put this on the track with Puff and Chuff and 4 sounds and see what it looks like. With one Chuff per rod. See, as it's puffing more frequently, the temperature's dropping, and the pressure's building over here. I gotta make sure I gave it enough range. Maybe I cut it down too much. And I'll dial that in. I can dial the smoke in tomorrow when I get this thing more solid. But I am thrilled. I'm so thrilled. We're back where we should be. Crank up, baby. Make smoke, you dog. Smoke 'em. Now we're cooking. Now, show me what you got, monkey. Give me this no smoke baloney. I'll warm your butt up. There we go. I might be out of smoke. I've been running this thing all day. Oh boy, it looks like I might be out of smoke. I might be out of smoke literally, because I'm down to the bottom of my barrel here. Alright, I better cool it. I don't want to burn anything out. Oh, there it was. The air was coming so fast. Oh look, we're getting smoke rings. Did you see them? We're chuffing. And that's at like 60. Oh, fun. Okay, I think we're fixed. Parking at the station. You turkey. You're parked at the station. You're supposed to have idle smoke. Idle smoke, you dog. There we go. Idle smoke. Oh, okay. That'll do our... I'm going to work on this now. I feel like I have hope. I've got it. I can do it. I can finish this up. It's going to be fine. I can't believe that one part just ruined my, 2 days. I knew something was goofy because I had the board working beautifully, and it was something outside, but I didn't know what it was. Now I know. All right. Well, have a good evening. I think I might talk her out of something. Half a beer, a glass of wine, a little shot of Bailey's. We gotta have something. I mean, this is really good. I learned something that is reliably wrong. Now I can be reliably right. On the next one, I won't go substituting parts willy-nilly. Okay. Thanks for hooking up. Later.